Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Arina binti Dasril. My matrix number is D0521102777. I am currently in year 2 Diploma of Manufacturing Engineering from Universiti Teknikal Malaysia, Melaka. For this presentation, I am prepared to share my diploma project, which is the title is an eco water bin. An eco water bin is really suit the scope of this diploma project team, which is innovation for environmental conservation. So we go to the project background. We know that all living things, either humans or animals, deserve to live normally on this earth. Earth is made up of 71% of water. We all know it for sure. So, but however, these days the world has become contaminated with pollution, as the earth is mainly made of water. Water pollution is a pollution that become worsen all over the world. So that is where a useful innovation such as an eco water bin is needed to bring back the sustainability of the environment. An eco water bin, our project, is a improvement, and we can call it an innovation we made from the existing product, which is C-bin. And C-bin is used as a reference for us to know the concepts, to apply it to our eco water bin. And then not only C-bin, we also search for some patterns from the internet to explore the same concept we can use, or different concept we can use, but the different concept is suitable to replace the existing concept. And then other than that, after we identify the patterns, the reference we use, we generate a concept screening and scoring to find the final design, find the desired design we want. After that, we generate design sketching by freehand drawing first. Next, we apply the freehand drawing to the final design of eco water bin is generated by using 3D modeling software such as SolidWorks to visualize the eco water bin more clearly than the sketching one. Then we also search for further information on the manufacturing process and the materials used to produce the product for the future prototyping. Then as the results, the problem, we can say that the problem will not vanish quickly once the eco water bin is used, but it will surely reduce the number of water pollution by increasing the water quality. We collect the trash from the sea, so we can see we can reduce the number of trash, the amount of trash or debris thrown by human into the sea or rivers or lakes becomes less than before. Background. Next, we go to the problem statement that we encountered to build this innovation. First, because rubbish and debris were thrown into the water, it is so uncomfortable to see the rubbish and the floating on the surface of the water. And then the second one is aquatic life threatened with the rubbish and debris thrown into the water. The aquatic life will be in danger because they cannot survive in the same like Earth. We cannot survive with the pollute air, we cannot survive. So this is the habitat for them. So they need the comfortable habitat and the that they can breathe normally. Next, we also the problem is also not ice, is environment. If the tourists come to our country and the rubbish would mainly floating on the surface of the water, so it is not a eye-pleasing environment to look at. And then next, the problem is water conditions become worsens, and then the last one is water pollution increase these days. So the objective of our project, which is to collect the trash in the water by using the eco water bin, to prevent more trash from sinking into the water and to reduce the percentage of water pollution happening every year. As we know, as I can say that the eco water bin is an improvement made from these three product I researched. The first one is C-bin project. C-bin project is the most reference we use to generate our eco water bin. So the concept is really similar, but maybe eco water bin will be less pricey and will be appears unbounded. So the limitation of the C-bin project is the C-bin is more pricey and limited movement. Next, the second one is pool cleaner. Pool cleaner has the same function as an eco water bin and also the C-bin project, but it has different features. As you can see in the picture, the pool cleaner is portable and lightweight, has lightweight properties, but the limitation here is the area is limited. Area is limited. You can use in the area where the water is not too deep. So, and also the handle of the pool cleaner can limit the movement of the users. You have to always stick to the handle. You can let it go because this is the limitness. You cannot leave it in second. You cannot. So because this is the mechanism of the pool cleaner. This is how it works, and you have to endure it. Then the third one is handheld pool cleaner. This one is the same as the second one, which is the pool cleaner, but this one has a limitations where the handle placement, where you have to hold the pool cleaner with both hands, and it's really hard to move because the handle is too short and the area of water is, the rubbish is everywhere in the water, so you cannot reach all of them. So this is that limitations, but this product is rechargeable product by flowing the electricity into the charging port. This is the one of the advantages of the product. And all these three product has the same functions, which is to remove the trash from the water, but have different features. Customer needs. After doing some survey, after doing survey for this project, we see that the customer needs is a lightweight eco water bin, durable eco water bin, a long life battery for eco water bin, has a sensibility. The eco water bin has a sensibility. An eco water bin is safe to use and easy to handle, and for sure environmentally friendly. And the eco water bin, the last one is eco water bin must be cheap and affordable. I think affordable for them to buy themselves. Next, we go to the house of quality. Okay, so from the customer requirements, customer needs, we gain through the survey. We have to generate house of quality. There is where you can relate the technical requirement to the customer requirements. Technical requirement is in the form of you can see in the in this house of quality, the weight, the technical requirements is like the water pressure, water velocity, shape, size, height of the eco water bin. That is the technical requirement. Customer requirement is what they want the eco bin have to be. So that is the house of quality, and this is the house of quality. Concept sketching, we generate 3 concept sketching from the pattern, from the concept scoring and screening ways. We have to do concept screening first from the pattern we search, then we choose the three of from 4 patterns. Then we generate concept scoring and ranking. Then from there we generate concept sketching. We have 3 concept sketching, and for the final design we have to choose the best one that will fulfill the customer requirement before this. So after that, the final design have to be generated with 3D design by using software like SolidWorks. So you can visualize it clearly. You can see it clearly, more clearly than the design sketching. So this is the final design of eco water bin will be. We use SolidWorks to generate this design. Then for bill of materials, eco water bin, to finish the eco water bin, finished product in eco water bin, we need a lid, inner fluid, lid for the main body, then catch bag cover, catch bag ring, filter and catch bag handle for catch bag. Then for handle, we need bracket screw to fit the handle. Then we also, the last one, the important one, is the water pump to generate the power to the eco water bin to do it works. Next, for design for environment, DFE, for reproduction, we need to reduce the toxic substances from using the toxic substances. Then increasing the energy efficiency of processes, increasing flows of recovery and waste. So this is from reproduction phase. The next phase is production. Use materials with low impact, recycle in recyclable materials. Selecting process with low impact and high energy technological efficiency, and reducing the use of toxic materials. For sure, you have to reduce toxic materials not only for eco water bin, but for every product that we use. We have to we want to produce, so we have to reduce the toxic materials to avoid any environmental impact. So like greenhouse impact, greenhouse effect, like that. The design for environment use, using product under the intended conditions, reducing energy consumption and emission during use, planning and execution of servicing interventions. For the third point, you can, for servicing you can apply the maintenance, repair, possibly see. So for the conclusion, we can say that the eco water bin is, even though it is the small production of the product, but it will surely have leave a big impact to the environment. So eco water bin can reduce the water pollution problem, even though it is only a small amount. Then that's all from me, so thank you.